Good day, V91. This is Ian Hernandez, and today I'll be presenting the following chapters. Chapter 13, Setting Product Strategy. Chapter 16, Developing Pricing Strategy. And lastly, Chapter 17, Designing and Managing Integrated Marketing Communications for our Marketing Management class. A good reference for the lessons will be found in the chapter summary, which is in the chapter's last few pages. Here, you will see the summary of the lessons that you previously read. Please look into each of the chapter's last few pages in your 15th edition COSLA textbook, but the easier search, I have copied and pasted it here. I will now be sharing the key concepts that I feel would benefit you. So moving forward to the chapters, the key concepts of setting product strategy for chapter 13 is firstly creating a product that would attract the market that you are targeting, because attractiveness dictates the prices, product features, qualities, and services. The second concept for chapter 13 is product differentiation. You have to keep in mind what the most important element is all about and what sets you apart from your competition. For example, Lexus is the luxury brand of Toyota. They created this luxury segment for their vehicles, and what set them apart from their competition is their reliability. Their reliability of getting you from point A to point B, and their reliability of keeping you comfortable, and their reliability of delivering what the luxury market needs. Lastly, people should remember your product by the packaging and labeling. By showing the symbol of your product, they should know what your logo stands for and what you are offering. When we see symbols like Nike or Shell, we already know their product offering. That's how you should make your customers remember you. For chapter 16, the first key concept is the price. A well-designed and marketed product can help an organization command a price premium or an exciting pricing strategy. One example is Ryanair, wherein they charge their passengers for almost everything from food, fuel, taxes, gadgets, and etc., except their seat. A quarter of Ryanair's seats are free. Second key concept for this chapter is setting the price. There are 6 steps in doing this: selecting the price objective, determining demand, estimating costs, analyzing competitors' costs, prices and offers, selecting a pricing method, and selecting the final price. For Ryanair, they were able to cut costs by keeping the seats fixed, no window shades, and pilots bought their own uniforms, and also attendants. Lastly, keep in mind the several price adaptation strategies: geographical pricing, discounts, allowances, promotional pricing, and differentiated pricing. A good example for price adaptation strategy is Ferrari, because they limited their sports car production in order to maintain the brand's exclusivity. Keep in mind these key concepts when developing the price of your product or service. The first key concept for chapter 17 is modern marketing, where it involves being able to communicate the product to stakeholders and general public. A perfect example for modern marketing is Netflix. They used multi-channel marketing to connect with people. They offered personalized content, so it's always different from each user, and used data to make customer service better. The second key concept is the marketing communication mix, and it consists of 8 steps. The 8 steps help market and expose your product or service to the market in creative ways. Another example from Netflix is that they used celebrity endorsements, billboard advertisements, and social media networking sites to market their products. The last key concept for this chapter is the 9 elements of the communications process. The 9 elements consist of the sender who initiates the communication by sending messages. Next is encoding, which is the process of assembling symbols. Third is message, where the core element of the process is. Fourth is media, where you transmit the message through a channel. Fifth is decoding, which interprets the message. Sixth is the receiver, the person receiving the message. Seventh is the response to the message. Eight is the feedback of the receiver to the sender. And lastly, the ninth is the noise, which is not part of the communication but can disrupt the decoding. Remember, be different. Set yourself apart from competition. And communication is key to efficiency. Again, this is Ian Hernandez. Thank you and have a great day.